SAT or ACT, you need to know how to do this kind of problem. So the problem says the formula above gives the monthly payment M needed to pay off a loan of P dollars at R% annual interest over N months. Which of the following gives P in terms of M, R, and N? So basically, they give us this equation up here, and they want us to solve or get P by itself. So we need to do something with this top of the fraction and the bottom of the fraction to get it over to the other side. So let's move the bottom first. So in order to move this bottom part over to the other side, I can cancel it out by multiplying by the same thing, 1 plus r over 1200 raised to the power of n minus 1 all over 1. And then whatever we do to one side, we have to do to the other. So we're going to do the same thing to the left side of the equation. So we're going to multiply by 1 plus r over 1200 raised to the power of n minus 1 over 1. So over here on the right side, we have the same thing on our numerator and our denominator. So we can cancel those out. And then on the left side, we just need to multiply 1 plus r over 1200 raised to the power of n minus 1 times the letter m. So once we do that, we'll have 1 plus r over 1200 raised to the power of n minus 1 times m is equal to r over 1200 times 1 plus r over 1200 raised to the power of n times p. So remember, we still want to get p by itself. So now in order to get rid of this section right here, well, it's now in the numerator, okay? Because really, there's a 1 down here. So what we can do is we can divide by that same expression on both sides, and that will cancel it out on the right and move it to the left. So if I do that, I'm just going to divide both sides by the same thing. So r over 1200 times 1 plus r over 1200 raised to the power of n, and then do the same thing to the other side. And once we do that, over here on the right, just like the last step, we have the same thing on top and bottom. So they're going to cancel out and leave us with just p on this side. And over here on the left, we're going to have 1 plus r over 1200 raised to the power of n minus 1 over r over 1200 times 1 plus r over 1200 raised to the power of n times m. So now if we just go back to our answer choices, we should see that letter B would be our answer.